I feel like the answer to this is very obvious, but hey, I'm not so mean that you were never gonna get it, 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 never gonna get it. Anyways, Raven was on Drag Race for 9 episodes, while Raja for 12, excluding the finale episode, of course. This is the point system we're going to be using, and we will calculate their respective overall scores, and then from that we will be getting their PP scores, comparing to see who did better on Drag Race, Raja or Raven. So, let's get on to it, beach. Both Raja and Raven won their season's first mini challenge. However, Raja also won the maxi challenge while Raven was just safe. Raven lands in the bottom 2 in the next 2 episodes, while Raja is safe for both of them. In episode 4, Raven is safe, but also the winner of the mini challenge, while Raja is safe as well. In episode 5, Raven, yet again, wins the mini challenge and is high for the wedding dress challenge, while Raja is just high. In the 6th episode, Raven is high, while Mr. Burns with visible undergarments robs Yara Sofia and wins the main challenge. Raven finally wins the main challenge in episode 7, while Raja is high. Raven wins her second main challenge in a row, while Raja takes her first low placement of the season. In Raven's final competitive episode, she just misses out on winning the main challenge, placing high before ultimately losing to Tyra. And this brings Raven's overall score to 33, making her PP score 3.6, where 6 is a recurring decimal. We're continuing on with just Raja. Raja, much like Raven, wins the main challenge in episode 9, however, for episode 10, she's high with a mini challenge win. In episode 11, Raja lands in the bottom 2 for the first time, gives us one of the best lip syncs with Carmen, and subsequently eliminates her. And in her final episode, Raja is just high. This brings Raja's overall score to 45, one less point than Manila's overall score, by the way. And this means that Raja's PP score is 3.75, just slightly above Raven's, making Raja the winner. To be perfectly honest, before doing this, I thought that the gap between their scores was going to be bigger, but I'm pleasantly surprised by this. Next one that I'm gonna do is Aquaria versus Sharon. So remember, if you can't eat your own ass, how in the hell are you gonna eat anybody else's? Can I get arrested in here? Now let the music play.